Shadow. When you na me do no way.
Na bibia boko de.
Oh sure.
Oya, yenni nano game amone Kwara United boy or the Accra Sausage na home command sana. Ye dey rem into the second league anyame adoma this weekend and so no ebetimi abaso no. Dedi kan me ka say ye bebo aye first league no on this same platform ibisa say approach no and saying and okay so approach in say mo be some more goals. Say the be mo be try say mo be kill time no award the Accra Sausage man sana return league no kra no etimi abaso no na akoye say mere academic exercise bi na mo kwakoye and so Nigeria but with the scoreline by no 4-3 mo share there but African game near him say so more opponent have a shot 3 home no ya na ayeden ojutum sama second leg no ayeden
well just like first leg at this stage you always expect to say team here or a country like Nigeria. Now, a club all represented this big football nation on the continental stage. Apart from what I say, in football, Kotoko, any achievements at Kotoko, a watch a woman. Intimate tabu football, it didn't go also a mobile. It didn't results of buy another. It is true that you need to miss your goals, but the second part of the case is very cautious, And the ABI because we are champion in the home country ever. The good thing is that you are winning first leg. From whichever angle you are going to the second leg with a win. You have a slight advantage over them.
Now, after some share 4-3 in the way, I mean, sir, UTA supporters no Mukasa Imua as a Omasha dear, but Omani Shadani because when we said this is the African game, one more opponent about share A3. A woman, it seems like say no Omoye down Kakra. Say yeah, they back Kotoko team now, as in the playing body need technical team now. After that result, no, not come to say mood no net to say players no me down now move so football so abesha 3 ayen so betimi akwakuche bi o
obviously football fan there forever no you buy football fans na they do be happen say o club wa share no wa share yi now that wetin ya da yi but we no na dey wetin ya da yi because factors no do so dey back no African game and Nyama a coso was some venues and I feel expectations. Okay, Boma. This is a fans normally right today. But the consolation is there. You're winning. And just like Ometimba, a bit of results, no. Young Shibetina call a good results, especially say match, almost they will be playing home away from their home. In the neutral grounds. On the day, we will have to capitalize on their loopholes. Now they strengthen their strongholds. And that's a strong points. Now it may overcome. So there are positive news. We desire a bomber to know Abiyakuta and your home grounds. In Kotoko and some away matches, mostly Kotoko, yeah. In fact, the last time Kotoko were eliminated, by Kadiogo, no. Home match in the
sure.
I remember in 2018, Kotoko Cameroon, they were winning 3-2 against Cotton Sport, our Cameroon, on a neutral ground. There is hope. I can't put there. And yeah, Nhyira kwa Sabia, results of it, like I say. And we're so comfortable. But the season, we crown a Adebia, a Kenya boys, I'm on Motimi, I'm on Mohammed loss. Clear, you know. It was there, it was concentration, petty mistakes be avoidable. If you to say any Caribbean, I don't think so, even in Nigeria, Kwara will be so strong for Kotoko.
Oh, okay.
Lawyer Yalani, Mekai Saturday no, me busa o say approach no, ebe saying, Emma Oka chair me say, Kotoko be hwe ni mu say, obeko de nima konya goals a, ebe man at least etimi I take advantage of a fee. Nanka wetimi ayi akiro pa say na ebe ya goals no, Kotoko consider bi kra. From the management perspective no, mo ni technical team no di nkomo no. Almost a DNT from the playing body, no technical tactics in the no a DNA Kotoko consider those 3 goals, you know.
Well, right, a meeting with the technical team. Now, said Macano. Some of them are general issues. I them say, losing concentration. We are poor marking here. There are some of them I cannot put out. The good thing is that the technical team know what caused the awaiting to me as actually goes on. And they are working on it. If I swear that say in the return leg, Sunny Mano can easily be avoided.
Okay, lawyer, now say on the same principle of approach, the real results first leg na koye Kotoko approach to the second leg not saying omukobo 1 goal difference no ho ban ana ye ko biem ne ani o mabon na yeso so say no mutimi she bebre ne so pe bebre bi asena ya hwede e besi approach ne saying game be say based on first leg results no.
Well, game be say no dey when say approach no e be vary. First of all, ukona we opponent ono na approach na quickly no so bet me adopt to them. For example, somewhere they open up for goals. Someone open up for there. Obviously, almost a Kwara by them. I got to construct go forward. But then no open up too much. As if say, I feel like I got goals. Common business goals. Some open up. Then you also know our approach. But obviously, you may be able to say goals, but yet too open. Will be a bit cautious.
Lawyer, where the boy and come, da bena Kotoko beko more itinerary to saying for the second leg, no.
All right, so the arrangement is say you will feel a crowd Friday morning. Now, with the expectation, say in the next 4 hours, we will near settle fully our final destination. The flight, is about 1 hour 40 minutes or so, and then from Lagos to Abeokuta, by road, it's about 1.5 hours. So the expectation is that within 4 hours, maybe we are settled down. That's Saturday, we have the opportunity to train. Now Sunday match, Abaso, 4 p.m. Nigerian time, 3 p.m. Ghana time, and the contingent, will be 35. Made up of 20 players, 15 technical and management members. Every time I keep saying.
Oh, okay. Now, I'm not going one to admit it's a second leg in a bed based on the result Amunya in the first leg 4-3, And I know Mami Bisa say any special package as in bonus the Emma players ahead of the game and
Well, there are also any special package, but the players themselves know. Say if they qualify, tournament is I will get a car home. Once you qualify, $100,000 is available at this stage. If you're able to progress to the money zone, 400,000. The extra only Chinese donations, you know, say. So, be determined some more. Players now the main focus. They know, say, qualification idea is here, but you will not rush into announcing anything. is go all out there and make themselves proud, make Ghanaians proud.
Enti last time to us the say qualification bonus na mde be mo.
Obviously, be able to qualify. Also so much Ghana na anymore. Enti ano na anymore.
Oh, okay.
So for emphasis, does it mean say Kotoko 4-3 win no mu say Sunday we were Accra Sports Stadium no? There was no winning bonus for the team.
Oh, winning bonus is there. In the local league. But I'm saying, say, qualifying from this stage, obviously add up something. Appreciable. But then, usually, you need
okay.
Of course.
La, I am from say that's it, and into more Diamiano.
I mean, I hope to say. Looking at the two teams, Kotoko is ahead of them. On any day, on any platform, Kotoko should be able to account for them. But the good news is that the match will be played on a neutral ground. It's, advantage, insignificant. So I assure how Kotoko fans say, on Sunday after 6 p.m. Nigerian time, now Kotoko are qualified to the next stage of the competition.
Okay. No, that's it.
All right, thank you to all the crew members.
Okay. Lawyer Sarfo Duku and I know a good in common.
It's in a way there. We are Kotoko near.